The Tesla Model 3 and Model Y are top choices for first-time electric car buyers, according to a recent study. Recurrent Auto interviewed over 200 people to find out which cars they were pre-ordering and which pre-orders they intended to finalize. The result is unsurprising, as the Model 3 and Model Y have been two of the hottest-selling EVs globally. The Model Y was in fact the world's best-selling car of all categories in Q1 2023, and CEO Elon Musk has predicted that it could be the best-selling car this year. New EV buyers most ordered electric cars falling between $26,500 and $47,240, as per the study. The Model 3 and Model Y prices fall under this bracket, although the costs could be higher depending on the exact configuration and add-on features. They also qualify for the federal tax credit. A decent range, with at least 200 miles per charge, appears to be a top preference among the people surveyed. The base Model 3 and Model Y deliver 272 miles and 279 miles of EPA estimated range, respectively, while the long-range and performance versions deliver upwards of 300 miles. So they easily tick this box. Comfort and convenience features also held weight among buyers, including one-pedal driving, regenerative braking, and efficient charging, as per the survey. Tesla claims to have 45,000 superchargers globally, of which over 17,000 are in the US alone. The Model 3 and Model Y can fast charge at up to 250 kilowatts and add 147 miles of range in just 15 minutes. The Tesla supercharger network is dominating the charging industry. Even legacy carmakers like GM and Ford have announced plans to incorporate the Tesla charging standard into their upcoming EVs. Performance was one of the main aspects buyers loved about their Tesla. The fast acceleration seemed appealing to them, as per the research. The Model 3 performance accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, while the Model Y performance does the same in 3.5 seconds. Both their long-range versions sprint to 60 miles per hour in 5 seconds or less. The Tesla Autopilot is popular among buyers as well. Every Tesla comes equipped with standard autopilot features that include adaptive cruise control and autosteer. Moreover, customers can also purchase enhanced autopilot or full self-driving (FSD) for additional supervised autonomy. But not all buyer feedback was glittery. The most basic controls, like opening the glove box or altering the windshield wiper speed, are integrated into the central touchscreen, which is a drawback, as per the research. The ride quality isn't the best, and the FSD has been subject to multiple lawsuits. But not all buyer feedback was glittery. The most basic controls, like opening the glove box or altering the windshield wiper speed, are integrated into the central touchscreen, which is a drawback, as per the research. The ride quality isn't the best, and the FSD has been subject to multiple lawsuits.